Welcome to a journey through time as we uncover the history of Worcester, Massachusetts, a city that has played a pivotal role in shaping the course of American history. Today, we'll explore its founding, growth, significant milestones, and the challenges it has faced and overcome. Our story begins in the early 17th century when European settlers first ventured into the untamed wilderness of Massachusetts. In 1673, a group of settlers purchased land from the Nipmuc Indians and established a settlement they called Quinsigamond. In 1684, King Charles II granted a charter for the establishment of the town of Worcester, named after Worcester, England, reflecting the British influence on the American colonies. Fast forward to the late 18th century, a time when the seeds of revolution were sown. Worcester's residents, fueled by the fervour of independence, joined the revolutionary cause with great enthusiasm. During the American Revolution, Worcester became a centre of resistance against British rule, hosting the first Massachusetts Provincial Congress in 1774. During the turbulent years of the American Revolutionary War, Worcester, Massachusetts emerged as a pivotal hub of revolutionary activity and a hotbed of patriotic fervour. This chapter of Worcester's history is marked by its unwavering commitment to the cause of American independence. In the years leading up to the war, tensions between the American colonies and Great Britain were reaching a breaking point. Worcester's residents, like many throughout New England, were stirred by a shared desire for freedom and self-determination. Worcester's pivotal role in the American Revolution began in 1774, when it hosted the first Massachusetts Provincial Congress. This historic event brought together delegates from across the region, including luminaries like John Adams and John Hancock. The discussions during this Congress laid the groundwork for resistance against British rule. Delegates debated crucial matters such as organising militias, coordinating actions, and drafting petitions for redress of grievances. One of the Congress's notable achievements was the creation of the Worcester Declaration, a document that affirmed the delegates' loyalty to the American cause and their commitment to defending their rights. Worcester's commitment to the Revolution extended beyond words. The town played a crucial role in the production of arms and munitions, earning it the moniker Gunstock Parish. Worcester's blacksmiths and craftsmen worked tirelessly to manufacture muskets and other weaponry for the American forces. In 1775, as the conflict escalated into open warfare at the battles of Lexington and Concord, Worcester residents demonstrated their resolve. They marched to join the ongoing fight, with hundreds of Worcester militiamen heading to the front lines. Throughout the Revolutionary War, Worcester served as a strategic point for the American forces. Its location at the crossroads of major routes made it a vital transportation and communication centre. This allowed for the swift movement of troops and supplies, contributing significantly to the American war effort. As the war progressed, Worcester faced its share of hardships, including British occupation. In 1777, British forces briefly occupied the city, but their presence did not break the spirit of Worcester's residents. The city continued to support the revolutionary cause, providing aid and shelter to American troops. The American Revolutionary War eventually came to an end in 1783 with the Treaty of Paris, securing the United States' independence from Britain. Worcester, having played a significant role in the struggle for liberty, could take pride in its contributions to the birth of a new nation. As the American Revolutionary War came to a close in 1783 with the Treaty of Paris, Worcester, Massachusetts emerged with a proud legacy of unwavering commitment to the cause of American independence. The spirit of liberty and self-determination that had fueled Worcester's residents during those tumultuous years would lay the foundation for the city's future. In the years that followed, Worcester experienced a period of rebuilding and growth. The resilience and industriousness that had characterized its involvement in the Revolutionary War would soon find new outlets in the dawn of the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution brought about transformative changes across America, and Worcester was no exception. With its strategic location, abundant natural resources, and a skilled workforce, Worcester was poised to become a thriving centre of industry and innovation. In the early 19th century, Worcester's industrial transformation gained momentum. The city's factories and mills churned out a wide range of products, from textiles to machinery. Worcester quickly earned its nickname as the Heart of the Commonwealth. Worcester's significance extended to the wire industry, where the Washburn and Moen Company played a pioneering role in wire production. This industry innovation had a profound impact on the development of technologies and infrastructure across the nation. During this era, Worcester was not only a hub of industry, but also a centre of education and culture. In 1865, Worcester Polytechnic Institute was founded, further cementing the city's reputation as a place of innovation and knowledge. The Worcester Art Museum, established in 1896, became a cultural gem in the heart of the city. Its impressive collection featured works by renowned artists such as Monet, Gauguin, and Van Gogh, showcasing Worcester's dedication to the arts. As Worcester evolved during the Industrial Revolution, it became a dynamic and thriving city. The echoes of its revolutionary past resonated with the energy of progress and innovation. Worcester's history, once marked by the struggle for independence, was now intertwined with the story of America's industrial transformation. As Worcester continued to thrive during the Industrial Revolution, its bustling factories and expanding cityscape symbolized the spirit of progress and innovation. But every chapter in Worcester's history is marked not only by triumphs, but also by trials. In the early 20th century, the nation found itself in the grip of a unique and challenging period known as Prohibition. This era, from 1920 to 1933, marked the prohibition of the manufacture, sale, and transportation of alcoholic beverages in the United States. Worcester, like many other cities across the country, grappled with the consequences and complexities of Prohibition. The ban on alcohol production and distribution brought about significant changes to the social and economic fabric of the city. During Prohibition, Worcester saw the rise of speakeasies, secret clubs where patrons could enjoy illegal alcohol. These hidden establishments, often tucked away in basements or behind unassuming facades, became places of clandestine revelry. The city's law enforcement faced the challenging task of enforcing prohibition laws. Raids on speakeasies and illegal distilleries were not uncommon, leading to a complex cat-and-mouse game between authorities and those who sought to circumvent the ban. For some, prohibition was an opportunity for organised crime to flourish. Gangsters and bootleggers found ways to profit from the illicit trade in alcohol, contributing to the rise of criminal activities in Worcester and beyond. The impact of Prohibition was felt across Worcester's social and economic landscape. It disrupted the city's brewing industry, which had once thrived, and led to the closure of many breweries and taverns. Worcester, a city of resilience and adaptation, had weathered the challenges of Prohibition during the early 20th century. As the nation emerged from that era, Worcester's industrious spirit remained undaunted. But the city was about to face another monumental test, the Great Depression. The Great Depression, which began with the stock market crash of 1929, cast a shadow of economic hardship over Worcester and the entire country. Industries stagnated, unemployment soared, and families struggled to make ends meet. Worcester's manufacturing sector, which had been the lifeblood of the city's economy, was severely impacted. Factories closed, leaving thousands without work. The once thriving industrial landscape now stood as a sombre reminder of the challenges ahead. Worcester's residents, however, displayed remarkable resilience. Communities came together to support one another during these trying times. Soup kitchens, breadlines, and charitable organisations provided vital assistance to those in need. The city's educational institutions, including Worcester Polytechnic Institute, played a critical role by offering vocational training programs to help individuals acquire new skills and improve their prospects in the job market. Worcester's cultural institutions, such as the Worcester Art Museum, remained beacons of inspiration and solace during the Depression. Art and culture continued to thrive, providing a respite from the challenges of the times. As the nation slowly emerged from the depths of the Great Depression, Worcester's spirit of innovation and progress began to shine once more. The city's ability to adapt and rebuild would be a testament to the indomitable spirit of its residents. As Worcester emerged from the grip of the Great Depression, the winds of change were blowing across the globe. The looming clouds of World War II cast a shadow of uncertainty and sacrifice over cities and nations alike, including Worcester. The outbreak of World War II in 1939 brought Worcester to the forefront of the war effort. The city's industries, which had experienced the hardships of the Depression, now pivoted to support the needs of a nation at war. Worcester's factories became key contributors to the war effort, producing a wide range of essential wartime materials, from machinery to munitions. The city's industrial prowess played a crucial role in the war's outcome. Worcester's residents once again displayed their resilience, as many enlisted in the armed forces or joined civil defence organisations. The city's young men and women answered the call to serve their country, leaving their homes to defend freedom overseas. On the home front, Worcester's communities rallied to support the war effort. Citizens participated in scrap drives, victory gardens and bond campaigns to fund the war. The spirit of unity and sacrifice was palpable throughout the city. Worcester's educational institutions, including Worcester Polytechnic Institute, WPI, played a vital role in training military personnel and conducting research to aid the war effort. The city's commitment to knowledge and innovation was an asset on the battlefield. As World War II drew to a close in 1945, Worcester, like the rest of the nation, looked to the future with a mix of relief and optimism. The sacrifices made during the war had left an indelible mark on the city and its residents. The conclusion of World War II brought relief and optimism to Worcester, as the city had played a pivotal role in the nation's victory. The echoes of wartime sacrifices resonated through its streets, reminding everyone of Worcester's ability to adapt and overcome in the face of adversity. As the post-war years unfolded, Worcester faced new challenges and opportunities. The city continued to evolve, embracing progress and innovation. However, the latter half of the 20th century and beyond would bring a set of distinct challenges to Worcester's doorstep. The mid-20th century saw urban renewal and revitalisation efforts that aimed to modernise Worcester's infrastructure. The ambitious Worcester Centre Galleria project, launched in the 1960s, sought to transform the city's downtown core into a modern urban hub. While these initiatives aimed to revitalise Worcester, they also brought challenges and debates over their impact on the city's historical character. The balance between preserving Worcester's rich heritage and embracing the future remained an ongoing discussion. The latter part of the 20th century and early 21st century saw Worcester diversifying its economy. The city transitioned from its industrial past to embrace technology, biotech and research, establishing itself as a hub of innovation. Today, Worcester stands as the second largest city in Massachusetts, with a population of over 185,000 residents. It boasts a vibrant cultural scene, a thriving academic community, and a commitment to progress. Yet, present day, Worcester faces contemporary challenges. The city grapples with issues such as urban development, affordable housing, and infrastructure renewal. The delicate balance between growth and preservation remains a focal point for its residents and leaders. As we reflect on Worcester's journey through history, from its revolutionary beginnings to its role in the Industrial Revolution, its resilience during the Great Depression, and its contributions to World War II, we see a city shaped by the trials and triumphs of the past. Worcester's story is a testament to the enduring spirit of its residents, their ability to adapt to change, and their unwavering commitment to progress. As Worcester faces the challenges of the 21st century, it does so with the same determination and hope that have defined its history. If you're enjoying my videos, please like and subscribe. It's like leaving a tip on YouTube